Hello, my name is Nestor, Senior MRI Applications Instructor here at Technical Prospects. And today's tech tips, we're going to talk about how to find a protocol and how to use your contents and index function for kind of more like a global search. Today we're going to use a find feature, and this find feature is in your Exam Explorer, and it kind of helps you find a protocol a lot faster than just opening up your user tree. First thing you want to do is to go into your Exam Explorer. We're going to search through our user tree. So I'm going to go up here, select my user tree, right mouse click and select Find. Menu pops up. On this particular scanner, this is an Esprit with B19 software. I'm going to need to use asterisk in front of any kind of protocol that I might want to search. So I'm going to choose asterisk and I'm going to type in shoulder. I'm going to select user tree and I'm going to select find. These are all of my protocols that are inside the shoulder. And now specifically I'm going to open up my shoulder mask. So if I just come in here and double click on my shoulder mask protocol, all of a sudden it goes straight into the shoulder mask protocol, and I didn't have to open up the user tree and search for something manually. It is done automatically for you underneath the find option. Secondly, I'd like to show you contents and index, which is basically like a global search where you can type something into the magnet or the search window and it will show you a brief explanation of certain things that are available on the magnet itself. We're going to go up to the top here under Help, Contents and Index. You're going to go into Search. And since I previously showed you Find feature, I'm going to go ahead and type in Find. Here's Find. And here are some options. So here I chose Find Objects in the Database. And as you can see here, earlier I talked about that this particular magnet, I needed to put an asterisk in front of the word that I want the machine to search. And here it is in the search window, just going step by step on how to use the find feature. Now you can type in anything here, you can type in MIP, you can type in MPR, and then you'll just have to read what you want it to explain, and then it'll give you a brief explanation here on any feature that you type in. And for more tech tips like these, go to technicalprospects.com and click on that resources tab.